Good morning, everyone. As you may know, or as you may have realized from some of my social media posts, I have been working on an alert system for you guys. And how that is going to work is the alerts are going to come to Discord. And right now, we're getting alerts on MNQ. We got an alert at 11:23, 12:36, and 1:10. So let's just look at what happened at those times. 11:23 is in this red candle here. When you get this alert, it's going to say in Discord, it's going to give you the entry criteria. This particular alert is going to tell you you are to wait for a close above the 10-minute VWAP line. So that is, you can barely see it. Let's do this. Too much stuff in the way. I need to move this. We can move a lot of stuff actually. So that alert came in at 11:23. That was within this candle. You need to wait. It will tell you when the alert comes in. You need to wait for price to close above the 10-minute VWAP, lower VWAP line. That's this white line. So at 12:40, you got that close above the VWAP line. And what you can do is when you get the alert, because this is what I did when it came in at 12:36. I just set an alert for myself to let me know. And that would have been on this candle. Just set an alert for myself to say when price closes above. Let me show you how to do it. Add alert on VWAP. VWAP, you want to do price, crossing, VWAP. You don't have to do this, but this is just the easiest way. Lower band. Create, and it will let you know when this happens. And what you have to wait for after that is you have to wait for it to retrace into that VWAP and prove that it's support. You could have entered here or you could have entered here because that's 20 minutes worth of candles that prove that this VWAP is now acting as support. If you want to work off of after your entry, if you want to work off of the 2-minute, that might be better. But you can see we traded through, took what did I say, like 20 minutes. It traded back to it, and then it wicked above it and closed with an engulfing candle. You can enter there, set your stop loss. Customary recommendation would be set your stop loss. I want you to be able to see it well. Set your stop loss below the low, but I set mine here. But technically, they would say it's supposed to be below the lowest low, but I want mine here. And that's because of the R on this. This is like a 4-1 RR. So for every $1 you risk, you make $4 based on the results of tracking these alerts. So set your stop loss, set your sell order, go about your business. And you can actually set 2 sell orders. I bought 3 contracts. That's what they recommend that you do with the prop firm account that I have. 3 micro contracts. So you could actually set the first take profit at the top of the VWAP. So you might sell 2 at the top of the VWAP and then leave 1 up here. But remember, it's 4-1. You can do 3-1. So you would set a sell order for 2 at 2-1, and then a sell order for the last one at 3-1. I just set them all up here because I did the math on the 4-1. And that's how that works. And as the alerts come in, I will record more videos of how you handle them. But I'm in the process of making sure that they are properly going to the Discord. So this will require you to be in the Discord because I can't send them to the Facebook chat.